Hi, this is Migo, your portable internet-enabled 3D printer. Migo was born to change your view of 3D printing. Simple and portable. Just plug it in and play. We always keep the highest industrial standards in mind. Life will be simple and exquisite with Migo. That's not all. Migo goes beyond your imagination. As inventors, we worked hard to make Migo smaller than small, achieving the maximum volume to size ratio. In fact, Migo is so compact, there are no unnecessary parts. Yet it's more powerful than other 3D printers. Furthermore, the replaceable printer head can fuel all your creative needs. That's how Migo makes your life more colorful. Migo was born for your creativity. Designed with built-in apps, Migo is perfect for anyone. Migo changes the way you print, letting you print creatively, anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Batch printing makes Migo more efficient than the competition. Multiple prints are just one click away, allowing you to instantly build your own printing factory. Amazing features make it the new standard in 3D printing. The printing process has never been so enjoyable. This is Migo, the fantastic future of quality, affordable 3D printing. Migo, best friend for life. We love music, and we don't want anything to get in the way of how it sounds. But placing speakers on a surface leads to sound quality loss. Not anymore. Welcome to the future of wireless sound. Introducing Mars, the levitating portable Bluetooth speaker with high-fidelity sound, subwoofer, and 8 hours of battery life. Mars is equipped with an ultra-thin 1.75-inch high-frequency horn. By using a world-renowned audio compression solution, it retains the full integrity of original digital audio and is optimized for real-time zero-loss audio streaming. 360-degree hi-fi sound projection means there's no back of the speaker, and everyone gets the best spot in the room. The ultra-durable levitating speaker is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, waterproof up to 3 feet deep, and is also magnetic. In the office, Mars doubles as a speakerphone with its built-in high-sensitivity microphone. And the portable subwoofer has 2 USB ports for charging your phone during long conference calls. Mars can also adjust its volume based on your proximity to the device and can be controlled with your phone. We believe that our technology will forever change the way you listen to music.
I'm Alan Zhang, an industrial designer and music lover. Design and music are part of my everyday life, but I'm really disappointed with the audio products in the market. Products either fail to integrate cool design with good sound quality, or the prices are too high, out of reach by most people. So I decided to build it myself, with the help of my talent team, including experienced acoustic engineers, designers, and geeks. From structure design to ultra-thin elements that apply to the speaker, we do everything to achieve zero loss of sound quality. We have created Mars to surprise the market with something really interesting and innovative. We're proud to offer you Mars to you and honored that you will be able to enjoy Mars as we all have.
When I first heard the Mars, I was blown away. I'm excited to work on such an amazing product.
360-degree sound is a perfect fit for today's modern lifestyle product.
The sound was incredible. I was super impressed with how high quality it was, and I can't wait to get my own speaker.
I love Mars. 8 hours of battery life? My brother could listen to that all day long.
I was really stunned by its appearance. when I first saw it. The way that it levitates is so cool, and the sound is amazing.
I definitely think Mars is the future.
Elevate your sound. With your support, we can bring Mars to life. Go to crazybaby.com to learn more. Thank you.
Mars, elevate your audio.
We are on the verge of a new era of innovation. It will redefine the way we live. But not to forget the art of technology, we must strive to extend our curiosity. We need to translate it to love, to joy, and happiness. We need to translate it to music. Who embodies the uplifting experience of music through innovation will change the world forever.
Vortex is the first environmental simulator for all your favorite PC games, videos, and VR. Imagine feeling the heat of a flamethrower when you're playing Battlefield 1.
Got a great sense of the heat. It's interesting because it immediately makes you sweat, so it's really quick to immerse you into it. I know when an explosion is going to happen, I'm going to feel the flame, so I'm already scared about it happening. It makes the world more tangible, whatever I'm watching or playing. Like, it actually makes me more fearful. This is like flame that's going to hurt me, and it's amazing.
Through our hardware and software, the Vortex system is able to respond to any kind of stimulus on demand.
I would say the coolest thing is how fast it can switch between temperatures. So like watching the Shadow Modar and the ice part of the scene, and it switched to like the fire, and it kept switching. I was like, okay, this is actually really cool.
So what's exciting about Vortex is we're taking a large amount of input data in audiovisual format, and we get to turn that information into usable feedback that creates an elevated level of immersion for the users. It kind of caught me off guard after we started putting some of this work into play, because the unit was a blast to use. It was genuinely fun, and it is. It makes almost every piece of content that you consume better. It's just a whole lot of fun.
Oh my god! You feel like you're in the environment that you're watching or playing. The Vortex enables you to understand the atmosphere at another level. It gives you more sense and more attachment to what you're doing.
Seeing people having their face light up when they have that experience for the first time is like everything. Personal satisfaction of that is just amazing. We know there's a huge void in traditional gaming and video. That's why we started Whirlwind FX. We want to get it into your hands, the content creators, the gamers, VR enthusiasts, action lovers. Now with your support, we want to breathe life into your entertainment experience. Feeling is believing. Live the action.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the